Welcome to the journey of creating one of the world's most durable and exclusive materials, bear leather. It begins here, at the source.
Ethically sourced and strictly regulated, these hides arrive in their raw state, requiring immediate preservation to maintain structural integrity.
A specialist spreads a hide on a large wooden table, applying a thick layer of coarse salt. Salting.
Two specialists work together to fold the heavy hide, stacking it onto a pallet. Bear hide is significantly denser.
Once at the tannery, the curing salt must be washed away. We rehydrate the skins to return them to their natural, supple state.
This rehydration process prepares the fiber network for the intense chemical transformation that lies ahead.
Technicians load the rehydrated hides into massive rotating wooden drums for the liming process. Liming removes close-up of the bladed cylinder stripping excess tissue from the underside of the hide. The machine is loud and powerful. Technicians monitor the chemical levels in the pickling vats, checking pH strips. Pickling lowers the pH. Whether using chrome or vegetable tannins, this stage stabilizes the collagen permanently. The hide is now officially leather.
Refining, finishing, and quality control. A technician feeds the wet leather through a sammying machine to wring out excess moisture.
Side view of the blade running horizontally through the leather. The top grain is separated from the split suede. Bear hide is incredibly thick.
Retanning and dyeing occur simultaneously. We introduce fat liquors here to lubricate the fibers, ensuring the leather remains soft. Drying is a controlled process. Toggling stretches the grain, maximizing the yield and ensuring a flat, smooth surface. Before finishing, we inspect the grain. The unique, coarse grain of bear leather is its signature, requiring flawless structural integrity.
A final protective coat seals the color and adds water resistance, vital for the heavy-duty applications of this material.
The laser cutter moves rapidly, burning precise shapes into the dark leather. Smoke is instantly vacuumed away. The artisan places a metal die on the leather, triggers the press, and it stamps out a perfect shape with a heavy thud.
Close-up of the leather edge running through the skiver, shaving off a paper-thin layer to allow for folding.
The assembly process involves rigorous performance checks. Artisans carefully sort the cut pieces into kits.
An artisan sits at an industrial sewing machine, stitching two heavy panels together.
An artisan applies glue to the edges and folds them over, hammering them flat. The artisan uses a specialized
A close-up of a brass rivet being set into the dark leather. The contrast between the metal and the organic
Artisans place the assembled products on shelves in a humidity-controlled room. The assembled product rests in a controlled environment.
An African-American male artisan performs the final hand polishing using a soft cloth and natural wax. A specialist stamps a serial number and a certificate of authenticity. The specialist signs a card and places.
The result is a product of uncompromising quality, rugged, distinct, and built to last a lifetime.
The team carefully wraps the product in silk dust bags and places it into a branded box.
The scanner beeps as the box moves down the line, joining other shipments destined for global markets.
From the rugged outdoors to the height of luxury, the journey of bear leather is one of transformation and skill.
Thank you for joining us on this tour. This is manufacturing excellence.